Hello, Clearburn North Dallas. Finishing up a 2019 Tesla Model X full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus, and we're just going to run around this real quick here, showing you all the edges, how we do that. I've been getting a lot of cars in lately with Clearburn installations coming here to ask if this was a proper install, and the edges aren't getting wrapped. All our edges, these corners, are getting wrapped. All around here coming into this window area, getting wrapped. The edge of this coming around, getting wrapped. These doors coming into the door and the fender, all that's getting wrapped. Into this plastic shroud, wrapped. So the right way to do it is to wrap as much as you can. I have to say, not every single edge can be wrapped, but you surely, as an installer, they need to try. And on this car, probably 98% of them get wrapped. Even into these taillight areas, all this is wrapped, meaning the film goes into this edge under the light. This hatch, wrapped on the glass side, wrapped on the interior side. The fender, wrapped inside. So, just a quick tutorial on that, so you guys, with these new Teslas or whatever type of car, ask your installer before the wrap, what are you wrapping? What edges are you wrapping? Not just the flat panel here. Tell me what you're wrapping here on the edge. What are you wrapping here? So that's what you want to do. Nevertheless, I'm going to finish this up and get this delivered to customers here, and that's about it. So XPEL Ultimate Plus Tesla Model X. Thank you.